Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, November 6th. Hope you guys have a great morning so far today. Kind of a light, this whole week is pretty much a light week in terms of economic data, but we do got a couple items here on the calendar. And we'll start off with the productivity for the third quarter. So the previous report came out at an increase of 2.5%. Forecast accounted for 0.6% in the Q3, and it actually dropped 0.3%. Our other data here is the unit labor cost for the Q3. So the previous report came out for second quarter was at 2.4%. Forecast was calling for 2.5%, and it increased 3.6%. So obviously we're seeing a lower productivity, but higher unit labor costs right now. And this is where we're seeing some of the corporate earnings coming a little bit slimmer probably in that case because their labor costs are rising as a result. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. We got stocks are down so far. We are at new highs, so they're kind of looking for this new catalyst. They're kind of looking for, Q3 corporate earnings are winding down a little bit so far. Approximately 75% of corporate earnings that come out are exceeding analyst expectations. We do got a few Fed speakers, but nothing's been said that kind of really breaks out that any market moving news. So right now they're kind of digging in for either some more news regards to U.S.-China trade talks or something to kind of create a catalyst. So right now it's kind of slowly where it's at, and we're at new highs. So let's be honest, there might be some type of correction at some point because we've been going up quite a bit so far, and even these stocks. Even the expectations that they had for the third quarter corporate earnings reports, the expectations were even lower. So they were giving a little bit more than probably what was really warranted for that most part. So let's kind of see how this is playing out in the bond market this time. Bond market's doing a little bit better after taking a bit of a beating yesterday. It broke down below all these different lines here, the 25, 50-day. We even had the 100-day moving average we broke below. Today we're just breaking above the 100-day moving average and just below the 25-day moving average right now. So we're up about 16 basis points. We did have a price change for the worse, so it did worsen during the day yesterday. So we're probably about where we left off, yesterday morning, because we were right about here yesterday morning. And so pricing probably about the same as what we saw yesterday morning. So a little bit better than what we finished the day, but probably closer to what we saw in the morning. And here's yields. Yields are still up there a little bit. Still, now we're getting a double layer of support with the Fibonacci and the 100-day moving average. We're sitting right about the 1.84 range. So later today, we do got a auction going on with the 10-year Treasury, and that could be a potential market mover. There'll be later, actually later this morning for West Coast time here, approximately around I think 10 o'clock West Coast time. So we could see a potential market move there. We're obviously looking for the appetite for investors in this area. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap. Rates are again, mortgage rates are better than where we ended the day yesterday. However, probably about the same as what we started yesterday morning at, as we had that price change for the worse yesterday. All right, so it's a wrap. And if you guys are looking to buy or refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. I'm in California, licensed for California. I'm a mortgage planner with Pinnacle Home Loans. We got quite a few varieties up here. I've helped provide a lot of solutions for a lot of clients here, helped to walk through the situations. I am a bit of an out of the box thinker, so I can help out a lot of people that have had trouble. They've been turned down with other lenders, stuff like that. So we do got competitive products out there. So if you guys are interested, DM me or just go ahead and email me. Email is probably the best of the two, but I do respond to both. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.